When should you use sidereal, solar, or lunar telescope tracking? Imagine you're gazing up at the night sky, wondering how to keep your telescope perfectly aligned with what you're observing. The secret lies in choosing the right tracking mode. Each mode is designed for specific celestial objects, and knowing when to switch makes your viewing or astrophotography much easier. Let's start with sidereal tracking. This is the most common mode used for stars and deep sky objects like galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. It moves the telescope at the same rate as Earth's rotation relative to the fixed stars. This means your telescope stays pointed at the same star or object without drifting. If you're capturing long-exposure images of distant galaxies or just want to observe stars in detail, sidereal tracking is your go-to. It helps keep objects centered for hours without manual adjustments. Now, if you're planning to observe or photograph the sun, you need to switch to solar tracking. The sun moves across the sky differently because of Earth's orbit around it. Solar tracking adjusts the mount's movement to match the sun's apparent motion. This keeps the sun centered in your field of view, which is essential for safe solar viewing and detailed solar photography. Remember, solar filters are necessary for safety when observing the sun directly. Lunar tracking is a little different. The moon orbits Earth, so it moves at a slightly different speed compared to the background stars. Lunar tracking compensates for this unique motion, helping you keep the moon centered during high-resolution imaging or detailed observations. If you're capturing close-up images of the lunar surface or watching lunar phases, switching to lunar tracking makes your work much easier. In practical terms, most amateur astronomers use sidereal tracking for general night sky viewing and astrophotography. When focusing on the sun, solar tracking is essential for safety and precision. For lunar observations, lunar tracking keeps your target steady and reduces the need for constant manual adjustments. Aligning your mount correctly is key to effective tracking. Equatorial mounts are designed to follow Earth's rotation, so choosing the right mode depends on what you're observing. If you're looking at stars or deep sky objects, stick with sidereal. For solar viewing, switch to solar tracking. And for the moon, lunar tracking is best. Knowing when to switch modes ensures your telescope stays aligned and your observations are sharp. Whether you're capturing stunning images or just enjoying a peaceful night under the stars, selecting the right tracking mode makes all the difference.